मैं बात कर रही हूँ उन एथलीट्स की जो बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं ऑलरेडी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टॉकिंग अबाउट प्लेयर्स लाइक विराट कोहली, रोनाल्डो, जो फिनोमिनल परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं. डज दैट मीन दैट इन सम वेज intentionally or unintentionally they are doing something right for their genes? मतलब उनके जीन्स के सेटअप के अकॉर्डिंग वो जो भी उनका लाइफस्टाइल है, खाना पीना है, एवरीथिंग इज इन अलाइनमेंट विद दैट, which is why they are able to perform so well.
There's no doubt about it. No second thought about it. Some people by default जो चूज करते हैं, जो एक्सरसाइज वो चूज करते हैं, जो डाइट वो चूज करते हैं, it really
Aligns.
fits. Yeah, it aligns with their genetic and metabolic profile. I would rather say they are lucky that it's aligned. Now, but at the same time, जब हम performance के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो अभी sports में भी ये genetic profiling चालू कर दिया है. They've started checking the genetic profiling.
Okay.
Yeah. In China, in the school level, every child has to go through a genetic profiling to understand what kind of a sport will suit his gene profile.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we ourselves do specific sports-related gene profiling for about 100 genes, which are responsible for sports-related activities like your stamina, your endurance.
Yes.
You know, जैसे आपका muscle का जो structure है, सब चीजों के ऊपर.
And why just sports? I mean, I would say for that matter, career choice can be made, should be made on the basis 100%. Of your gene setup.
Because entrepreneurship, अगर आप देखें तो, nowadays startup ecosystems are growing and people are looking. This is my favorite topic where I talk about always about performance rather than health. जहाँ पे अगर आप देखें तो आज के जमाने पे, people are really drained out. There's a lot of fatigue. Distraction is too much. क्योंकि एक तरफ से देखें तो बहुत सारे चीजें एक ही टाइम पे चल रहा है. जैसे आप कॉन्वर्सेशन के बीच में 2-3 मैसेज आते हैं, आपका ब्रेन और डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो गया. That's a time, maybe one of the message can actually take you away from all those kind of discussions.
One post,
and
you're somewhere else.
Yeah, and people post on the Instagram and waiting for the likes to happen. So that is actually they are actually enacting their dopamine receptors unnecessarily. Yes. It is actually creating something like an addiction, which is stronger and worse than kind of addiction from drugs. So all those kinds of things are around. So इस टाइम पे आपको ये सब मेरे ख्याल से reversible तो नहीं है. यानी you cannot actually leave all this and go to Himalaya and live. So you need to live with this. So that means you need to have a sharper brain. जहाँ पे आप फोकस कर सकते हैं, distractions आप कम करा सकते हैं. You need to have a highly energetic body. जहाँ पे you can actually perform at your peak.
Yes.
You need to have a mind which is so sharp you can actually analyze so many different things. तो ये सब आज का डिमांड है, रिक्वायरमेंट है.
Yes.
उसके लिए आपको आपके बॉडी, आपका जो डीएनए लेवल पे आपका प्रोफाइल क्या है वो समझ ले. यू अंडरस्टैंड योर प्रोफाइल, you understand what works for you, because I've seen in many places people consider certain food as healthy food, superfood, healthy food. I don't know whether there is something exists called superfood in the world or healthy food. क्योंकि broccoli, which is good for some people, we have seen that कुछ लोगों का genetic profile allow ही नहीं कर रहे हैं क्योंकि broccoli contains something called sulforaphane, so which is not good for some people.
Yes.
So I think once you understand your profile, once you understand that this works for me, this doesn't work for me, then you can actually design your life the way you want.
Right.
मेरे ख्याल से stress free, disease free and happy life आप जी सकते हैं. It's possible. It's a choice.
I think which is why we always say listen to your body. I mean, this is in a way we are saying try to understand your own triggers.
Yeah.
If some so-called healthy food is not working for you, don't eat that.
Yeah.
Don't forcibly eat it.
Exactly.
If some kind of exercise you don't like doing it, then don't do it. This may be your genes asking, no, I don't want.
Absolutely. Could be, yeah.
So listen to your body, listen to your genes.
Nowadays, unfortunately, most of the people are listening to somebody else's body because they are looking at the social media. Okay, let me try this also. Let me try this diet. It doesn't work that way.
Yes.
You need to know about your body, your brain, your cellular functions. आपको एक बार, especially मैं लोगों से कहता हूँ कि genetic profiling is just one time affair.
Yes, yes.
You know,
yes.
it never changes. Your genes never change.
Yeah.
So you decode your DNA once and get all the information once in your lifetime. That's it, period.
I think it should be a part of, I mean, ये तो पैदा होते ही हो जाना चाहिए. Because genes are anyway not going to change.
never.
So it should be a part of your, जैसे होता है ना कि बेबी होता है तो there are several
वहाँ से ही
tests
आप
done.
habit create कर सकते हैं.
वहीं पे ही जीन टेस्ट करवा लो ना,
Absolutely.
वहीं पे
Absolutely.
जीन टेस्ट हो जाएगा, सारा पूरा आपका जो बायोडाटा है वो निकल करके आ जाएगा. अगर आप ये पूरा एपिसोड देखना चाहते हैं तो आप हमारे मेन चैनल गुंजन शाउट्स पे जा सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है.